In question 3, the problem statement says, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees? So the measure of one exterior angle is 24 degrees, and because the polygon is a regular polygon, this means that all the exterior angles will measure 24 degrees. And using this, it's very easy to find the number of sides of the polygon. So let's assume that the number of sides of this regular polygon is equal to n. This means that there will be n exterior angles, each measuring 24 degrees. So the sum of all the exterior angles, all the exterior angles of this polygon will be n into 24 degrees, because there are n exterior angles and each of them measure 24 degrees because the polygon is a regular polygon. Now we can make use of the fact that this sum, which we have written in terms of n, this must be equal to 360 degrees, because the sum of the exterior angles in any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. So this is how we get an equation in n, which is n into 24 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So this means that n, the number of sides, is equal to 360 degrees divided by 24 degrees, and this, if you do the division, this you will get the value as 15. So n is equal to 15, which means that the number of sides of the regular polygon is 15. That's the answer to question number 3.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.